Hey, we're staying at Vietnam, and this is our room for next 3 nights. Yeah. So here you can see here a great view, and this is the kitchen area.
Woohoo!
So which has a fridge with some complimentary drinks, and I think it's a peanut.
Very nice.
There's some setup for tea. We have a stove. Yeah. And this is the dining area. It's huge. And this is the drawing area. It's an amazing view with this private swimming pool.
It's look like
So
a
here you can
palace.
see the view. It's unbelievable. So let me finish for you. So here you can see view. Amazing, and the pool is private. This is the private pool for next 3 nights, 4 days. This is the bedroom number one. Woohoo. So here's the closet, and this is the shower. So, and we came back to our drawing and dining area. So hopefully this stay will be amazing.
That's a living room. That's a kitchen. That's a bedroom.
How are you feeling, baby?
It's so beautiful. Wow. This view is my favorite.
And the weather is so pleasant, right?
Yeah, it's so peaceful. And there is additional 2 bedrooms.